Hello everyone, am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a great smile. Yes, and I can see great smile because you all would be very much excited as we are going to learn watercolor painting, and with ear dot painting we will be completing this beautiful artwork. It is going to be completely watercolor based, and with help of earbud, the kind of artworks you can create, this we are going to learn today, okay? And yeah, one more thing which we would be learning in today's artwork is 1-point perspective. It means how to add one more dimension, that 3D look to your artwork, okay? So yes, this drawing is going to be combination of two things, 1-point perspective and secondly earbud painting technique. It's completely watercolor painting technique. With earbud we will try to create the texture, okay? So be ready with your water container, earbud, your watercolors, pencil, eraser, and as you can see on the screen, you will turn your file and keep it vertically, okay? Turn your file and keep it vertically, and chalo, let's get started, okay? So see, when you want to start a work, first you will decide how you are going to use your paper. As on your screen you can see, for this artwork I decided to use my paper vertically, okay? And now I can see so many new faces today in my class. I want to welcome all new children, and I'm very happy my family, this Arjo family is increasing and expanding day by day, and so many wonderful artists, they are getting connected with us, and this is really blessings of Almighty God. I want to welcome you all, and chalo, now let's get started, okay? So after keeping it this way, you will mark a center. If your center is slightly here or there, it's okay. I'm going to create kind of landscape, and landscape is kind of thing which you all would be having in your syllabus, है ना? So like when we talk about landscape, the only thing come in our mind is 3 mountains, 1 house, 1 tree, 1 river, है ना? But no, landscape could be made in so many different ways. So today we are going to do the same. So what you will be doing now, here you are going to make, you can go slightly, okay, take the center only and make a line. Don't use scale, okay? When you are making figure, when you are making animal anatomy or bird anatomy or figure anatomy and landscapes, you should avoid using scale. So I am going to make a line, and now see, this paper is having 2 dimensions, length and breadth, right? But when you try to create one more dimension on it with help of illusion of lines, and you try to create that illusion with help of lines, this kind of artworks are called perspective. So here we want to add one more dimension, and you must have seen, like while traveling, when you sit in car or any other vehicle, when you look at in front of road, it seems as if the lines of both the sides, the line of both the sides, they are coming closer, and it seems at one point they are meeting. And so this kind of illusion we will create to add one point perspective. So what I am going to do, this is my center now, I will take a point here, almost 3 fingers, yeah, this is 3 fingers distance, slightly less than 3 fingers, and you are going to make this kind of gently sloping lines, not gently sloping lines you would be making, and a U in front. And how much far it is? 4 fingers. If you will see the height, yeah, 4 fingers it is, and this kind of big U, it's looking like a big U upside down. This structure we will create, and this is going to be windmill, okay? And I want to show, like, this is a farm with different kind of flowers are growing here, and we want to show this ways, and like they are grown in a row. But when you look far, I am standing here, and when I look here, it seems as if all the lines, all the rows of them, they are getting connected. So this kind of illusion we will try to create, okay? So first, when you want to create this art, this texture which you are learning today could be used on canvas painting also. If you are fond of doing canvas painting, so yes, what we are learning today could be done on canvas, but make sure when you will be doing work on canvas, you will use acrylic colors or fabric colors, even oil colors could be used, okay? Now you are going to make a circle, and you are going to make this kind of cross. You can go for cross first, and I will give you the measurement also. The line which is coming out, it is slightly bigger than 2.5 you can say, and slightly less than 3, and I simply write a cross. Now we will decide that what we want to add. Landscape doesn't mean that too many elements, no. With very limited elements, you can create a masterpiece, a very mature, the very mature landscape, like a landscape which is having very mature look, So we are going to try almost of that kind only. So I draw a cross. I will take a pause of 1 minute, then I'll check the work. And as we are doing with our sketching part, hold your pencil loose. Normally we hold pencil this ways for drawing, but today for when you are making drawing, you will be holding your pencil loose like this. Okay? When you will hold your pencil loose, you will be having rhythm, you will be having flow in your work, and your lines will be very light. So this is very important. I want to check that how you all are holding your pencil. Will you please lift up files and show how you all are holding pencil? Great, it's perfect. Shabash, okay? So see, this is the way we will complete our. Keep your brush pens also ready. We are going to use brush pen also. I will make line upper side equal width you will be creating. It's looking like a swastik, है So you will be making this kind of lines. Okay, and this is the last point which we will connect to the center, and this ways we are going to make kind of windmill. Okay. So this is the story of a farmer. Okay, this farmer was having farms, but nothing was growing there, and this farmer in our story is very kind-hearted person. Like when he was looking at someone in need, so he was sharing his own bread also. He was not hesitating giving the bread of his own part. That he was that kind. He was having a small piece of land on which nothing was growing, and it was barren land. So he wanted that something should grow there, but as the land was not of good quality, not fertile, so he was not getting any kind of harvest or any kind of return from this piece of land. Okay. Now what you will do, you will connect it here, connect it to circle, and now you are going to connect it to circle, and the next line, like see we started this line here now, so this line will get connected here, this line will get connected here, है ना? So this ways you are going to create this kind of structure, है ना? It's quite simple. We are not going to keep it technical at all. Okay, so it's a very simple shape of windmill which we will create. Okay, so yes, so we will create this kind of structure. If you feel that this part is looking quite broad, so you can make it little narrow also, this ways. Take eraser and erase unwanted lines, especially the lines which are coming in this circle. We are going to erase it completely, and even the unwanted lines you will erase and clean it. Okay? So only final lines I will leave, and remaining all lines I will erase. And this is the way I will find. Now I want to give the illusion of depth, है ना? So for showing that depth, I will take help of lines, and I will use my lines in the way that it will add one idea of depth. So see, you are going to make a straight line, and now you are going to mark points near. Like how will you make? You will make line broad. When you will come lower side, it will get little broader, okay? And this is the way, upper side it is quite narrow, lower side it's broad, 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 and this is the way you will make lines. Now see, it seems as if these lines would go further, so there would come one point where all these lines will get mixed and one point, create one point, है ना? So as it stop here, if I would take this line little more higher, all lines will mix on one point. That's why we call it one point perspective. है ना? When you look while traveling, look at road in front of you. So if your road is quite long, so at one point it will seem as if both the lines on the side of the road, they are mixing on one point. है ना? So it doesn't mean, and beyond this you can't see. Although road is existing, but you can't see, because that point is the maximum capacity of your eyes to see, and that's why that point is called vanishing point. Beyond this, the things are existing, but your eyes can't see. Okay, so we use all this for one point perspective. So I simply made lines which are distance is less here, it is quite narrow, and we will be making some clouds. So clouds we will add directly. Okay, if you want to add some bushes, you can make small tiny bushes, and here is your drawing, only this much. Okay, now we will start with colors. Okay, come on, do this much, and we will start with colors. So the very first thing I want to do is, very first thing we will do, we will put brush pen colors, and brush pen colors for background, upper portion, and lower portion we will do completely with earbud. And even the clouds on dark surface, even the clouds we will create with help of this. So chalo, now let's get started with. So we can do one more thing, we can do this also with earbud. Let's complete background with this color. So I will take pink and blue color. Pink and blue color, and using these two colors I will complete this background. Okay, background it means sky, and I want to keep it quite dark, because on this I am going to add white clouds with help of earbud. Okay, but before this I want to check the work. Will you please lift up files and show your work, how it is done? Yeah, okay, 1 minute's pause, like children are asking for 1 minute's pause. I will take 1 or 2 minutes pause. You all finish this, and then I will check the work, and then we will move ahead. Yes, so this is again a drawing of landscape. It is going to look very beautiful, and you can clearly see the things which I am going to add are very limited, and we will try to create a very realistic look with help of earbud painting technique. है ना? This is a watercolor painting technique. Sky, we will first put the layers of brush pen, and on that with earbud we will add clouds. Okay? Yeah. So this pause I am taking, I will return back to my story. So this boy was having a barren piece of land. So now what happened? Near this this piece of land was barren because it was having no availability of water, and rainfall only during monsoon season, like something was growing, but after that, as water was quite far, so this piece of land was not getting irrigation properly, and soil is having a quality, if it will have moisture, so microbial activities would be active. Once the soil is completely dry, then this soil become dead, and same thing was happening with this farmer's land. And then this farmer is very kind hearted, and the name of this farmer in our story is Chandrakant. Okay, let's keep the name Chandrakant. Now I will take this color pink, and I will make clouds. Can I check the work before this? Yes, that time many were busy doing. Yes, will you please, all of you, lift up files, and hopefully now you all would have done. Shabash, it's amazing. Now see this part which I'm going to do with brush pen. If you want to do it with plastic crayons, you can even do it with plastic crayons. Good, very good, perfect. Okay, now after this you will move your brush pen, and we want to keep it little darker, background little darker. That's why we will be using brush pen. Nicely you will fill the space and random lines, and then you can use blue color. Okay? Yes, you are going to use I will spread this color, and then I am going to use my blue, and a blue or purple will also look good. We could go for purple also, but this is also violet is also a lovely color. We could go for stripes, and if you want to overlap your pink also you could, and you are going to show this complete. You can do one thing, you can give outlines and then fill it with sleeping lines, don't change direction. And if you feel you want to overlap your pink, you could. And I want to keep my background comparatively darker, because I am going to add lots of white clouds, the white clouds will look great on darker surface. And as it is watercolor work, so with brush pen you will get that watercolor impact also, and with help of this you will create stripes very close, and you will finish this phase. Okay? So if you want to come on pink you could, and if you feel that now the next layer you want to do with sky blue, you can even go with sky blue. Okay, this is the way I will make stripes, and if you want to change the layer you can go for okay, this is the way you should move ahead. So I will return back to my story. So one day what happened, when Sadhu Mahatma ji reached to this village and wanted to live at some place, but no place was available. So this Chandrakant was having this piece of land, so he said ki, sir, I will make, Guruji, I will make a small hut for you there, and I will take care of everything should be available. So please come and stay there, and I will take care that like everything should be properly available there. And with this words, Chandrakant took complete responsibility of taking care of Sadhu Maharaj ji. So can you see this? Here I add little of blue, pink, this kind of colors as stripe, and I am going to leave this portion white. Here we can use brown or with little touch of white. Okay? So now you can see the basic structure with brush pen we created. This could be done with plastic crayon also. But as I want to make my clouds white with earbud, so this dark color in background will definitely look good. Okay? Come on, finish this. I am using A4 size paper, and as many children are messaging me about size, this is proper A4 size paper, okay, on which I am creating it. So here you can see the upper portion I kept quite dark, and now select colors. Like I want to show in these different flowers are growing. So in somewhere blue, red, orange, and yellow and orange, green and yellow. So we are going to take all colors. So this red and orange, yellow and red, orange and red, and a pink. I will take pink, violet color, blue color, sky blue color, yellow ochre color, white color, green color, and brown also for making this windmill. Okay? So all these colors I'll open, and even yellow, I will take yellow also. And now your earbud. All of you finish this, I will check it once, and then we will move ahead. And take a small piece of cotton also, and cotton will also help you a lot for doing your work. Yes, ready? Yeah, be ready. And now here, if you don't want to go for so many colors, you feel that you just want to use two colors, alternate, so you can do that ways also. I want to make all the, like this farm is bearing so many of beautiful flowers. These flowers are going to be very magical. है ना? So, yes. Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show? Yes, okay, if you are showing thumb down, I'll wait for a little more time, finish. Now we need cotton and our colors. So you will open all colors and I will teach how you are going to get started with. Okay. So with earbud we will take color directly from your bottle or tube color, है ना? Or if you are using cake colors, and put drop of water on each cake so that it will become soft. The very first thing I will do is clouds and this windmill, and then I will start with the work. Okay, ready? Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show me your work? Shabash, very good, perfect, perfect. Okay, now the very first color is going to be brown and white, and I will take brown and white. If you want to go for some other color, you can definitely try this. So now open these colors and go with me. Okay, the first color is going to be brown. I will dip earbud in water. Come on, dip it in water. So as you're going to use white now, so let's complete our clouds first. So what you will do, you will dip your earbud in water. You will take white, and you can see I'm taking quite dry white, and not very much watery. And I will start going for tap, 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 tap technique. I will create kind of shape of clouds, and a C kind of shape, and a big C. I will again, you can simply create this kind of clouds. It is straight from lower side. I will show the shape. If you want to draw it once, so you can even draw it, so that, and better you draw. So what you are going to do, you will make a line, and over this you are going to make big, small, and a straight line, and this ways you will be making lots of clouds. Okay, because upper portion we don't have any elements. A straight line and some this kind of curves. Okay, straight line and some this kind of curve. Now you will find it easy to do, because now you know where you are supposed to move, and with this you will complete your clouds. With earbud, take water, dip your earbud in water, and on this keep doing this. Don't take too much watery, and with earbud impression you will find this kind of texture, and you are going to complete clouds which you draw before. And after making cloud I am going to stop. Okay, so those who are making or those who are doing, they can continue. Acha, like on availability of time, according to available time, we will do it. Okay, we can even take help of cotton also. So this is the way you will make white clouds, and I will complete all the clouds this ways. So that's why the reason now, hopefully the reason is quite clear, that why I used brush pen for background. And clouds on dark surface are looking prominent and beautiful. And this dark color we would be getting only same here. you will be doing this. Okay, and you will complete all the clouds. This is all about patience, है ना? This is all about patience. Acha, this farm was having was not able to get proper water, है ना? That's why the farm turned like lifeless and nothing was able to grow. So this Chandrakant made a lovely cottage, है ना? Was arranging water, food, fruits, है ना? And flowers for puja, and was cooking food himself so that Sadhuji can get pure food to eat. And this way is like right from morning till night he was taking care of Sadhuji, and I was making all the arrangements so that the people, village people, could come and meet Sadhuji to find out the solutions of their problem. And when Sadhuji was very happy with this very devoted services of Chandrakant, he asked, do you want anything? So he said, no, Sadhuji, I have everything. And God is very kind to me. So this win heart of Sadhuji, and Sadhuji was a very Siddha Purush, है ना? So he was knowing what problem Chandrakant is facing, but still he is so satisfied. This really win the heart of Guruji. And Guruji decided that he will solve the problem of Chandrakant. So what he said, Guruji gifted some seeds. And before going, he said, Chandrakant, I am very happy. If you want any vardhan, please ask. So Chandrakant refused to have anything, saying that I have everything I needed to live my life. So Guruji was very happy with this very kind and beautiful, wonderful gesture, and gifted him some seeds and told that these are seeds and I want to gift it to you. These are not ordinary seeds, these are magic seeds, and magic seeds could be gifted only to one who is very kind hearted. So I want to gift these to you, and please take care of it, and you can sow it in your place anywhere you want. These are magic seeds. So what happened, like after a few days it started raining, and Chandrakant thought that I shall put these seeds in this farm, which is going to get water only during monsoon season. Afterwards, like this farm will again get dry, as water is not available. And then yes, done everyone. We need a earbud or a small paint brush, because now we will use cotton, but before this we will complete this also, this windmill, है ना? So we will complete windmill also, and for this complete your clouds first. Yes, everyone, and lots of clouds, not few, lots of clouds. Okay, in this corner you will make lots of clouds everywhere, but make sure you will be making it quite neat and beautiful. Okay? After making this cloud, we will switch on to dark brown color. I will dip my earbud in water, and I will take brown color, and I will start with brown here. And you can do one thing, you can go for line first with earbud, and we will go down, up to down. So what will happen, that color will get dry and we will be able to do color here comfortably. So you can do one thing, you can simply move on outlines with earbud. With earbud, moving on outline would be quite easy for you. And afterwards, with tap technique, like earbud painting technique, you are going to make this brown. And if you have normal brown, then you can add little of black in it, because you want dark brown color, because our background is also very dark now. So your color, if it will, yeah. So see, this is the way you will finish, and you will go for tap technique. Tap technique will add a texture to the work. Like those who are not good at using paintbrush or another things to color their go for watercolors or canvas painting. So this earbud technique is best for them. With earbud, what happened, you don't need skill and command over paintbrush, and kind of texture which you get now, that is beautiful. So this earbud painting technique is helpful for those also who are just beginners. So can you see this? With tap tap technique, first I gave outlines and then I completed. After this I will take a pause of 3 minutes, okay? So that you all would be able to do. But before this, just 1 minute I want your attention. All of you see, you will take white and you will put white this side. Okay, this side you will put little white, and even in the corners of this you will take white, and when your color is not dry, that time only you will add little of, on same earbud you will add this, and you will add this kind of texture in your windmill. Okay? Yeah, this kind of texture you will add in windmill. Come on. Finish this. I will put little on the top. So first you will do brown and then you will add white and will create this kind of windmill. And I will take a pause of 2 minutes. Take it to 3 minutes so that you all could finish this much. So when Guruji was about to leave this village, Henna decided to gift something and gave magic seeds. And these magic seeds, as monsoon season was on, he spread in this village, this farm where nothing was growing. It was just kind of piece of barren land. And magically, like within overnight, like the seed sprouts and beautiful flowers bloom. And the next day when he wake up, he was able to see like outstanding and celestial colors, and they're like colors Chandrakant never have seen before in flowers. And these flowers were very shiny. Some were golden, some were silver, and bright orange, bright purple, outstanding. And the fragrance, like they were so wonderfully, like fragrance was so wonderful that the whole village started having impact of it, and all villagers started thinking that from where this lovely fragrance is coming. And they were surprised to see that overnight, like yesterday only, the Guruji left, and today only, like the farm is lush with such lovely flowers. So what happened, they all were looking at this magic happen, and Chandrakant told that like the Guruji gifted me some seeds, and simply spread those seeds as it was about to rain, and seeds sprout and the farms are done. Acha, during this time only one very big car stand near that farm and told that this lovely fragrance is coming from these flowers. So Chandrakant replied, yes, yes, sir. So he said ki my son's birthday, I want to, that party is very grand, and I was looking for some very different kind of decoration. I was looking for some unique thing which I could use, and these flowers I have never seen before, and the fragrance is so amazing. I can't explain this in word. I want to purchase all your flowers. So what you want? What is the cost of it? So Chandrakant said, no, sir, if you want to take it for your son's birthday, take it as gift from my side. As I told you before only, Chandrakant was very kind-hearted and not at all greedy. Although he was very poor and was little crop he was able to grow because this piece of land was barren. But still, like when Guruji asked, do you want anything? He replied, no, I have everything. So he was that kind of person. Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show? Shabash. Now we will start with the farm. Okay, so for this what we will be doing? We will switch on to next color. ठीक है, तो this earbud we will keep on one side and we will switch on to next. I will take my next earbud and I will start with orange and yellow. ठीक है, तो I will dip it in water and we will start with the work. And we could even do it with help of cotton also. So we can do one thing, we can use even cotton and earbud also. So chalo, let's complete with earbud. I will take green first and I will complete these bushes. ठीक है, so come on, let's complete bushes. This texture I will maintain, and this is the way I add little white all over outer side and inside. Then a textured look will give it abstract look. Now you are going to take green, dip your earbud in water and take green color and complete bushes with earbud painting technique only. Achha, here you will have to change the earbud also probably for different colors. So I will take this, I will open green and I will go for green. I will take color directly on earbud and I will go for green bushes. Okay, so here these bushes you are going to make green and again you will be using earbud paint. If you want to use sap green color or deep green color here, you can definitely try other colors also. Okay, so I am using light green because the background is quite dark, so light green will look great. So this is the way you would be completing this portion. So that very rich person was so much impressed with simplicity and this vast heartedness of the Chandrakant that he said ki okay, I will not pay for flower but just take it as a small gift from my side, my brother, and he gifted him 25,000 rupees, like for a poor farmer 25,000 rupees for farm. And when the servant of that rich man started harvesting these flowers and again these flowers bloom again, and like even that man was surprised to see. And he promised that he will definitely promote these flowers in city. Now what happened when though that man took these flowers for birthday decoration of his son, the other who visited birthday decoration was they were very much impressed with flower decoration, very different kind of flowers and their lovely celestial aroma. They asked from where you purchased, and then people started coming to this farm which was a complete barren piece of land. Okay, now you are going to take green, the same green, and you are going to make this part green. This part you can make green, this part and that part, you can go for two parts. Yeah, so see, this is the way you will complete it. Dot dot dot, you will take yellow and you are going to put impression in yellow. Again you will be making, this is the way you will put impression of yellow on green. This is very important, and a light color over dark. So your green earbud you can keep on one side and we will start with the next. Come on, do this much. After this my next color is going to be, will you be able to lift up your files and show? I can understand like while doing watercolor work it's really difficult and challenging like picking up your file. That's why I'm asking you, if manageable for you, you can, otherwise you can continue. Shabash, very good, very nice. Now I will take orange, and with orange again I am going to take yellow. Okay, so I will take again a fresh piece of earbud. I will dip it in water. I will take orange, and the next is going to be orange. Okay, you will simply go for earbud painting technique. You will first do orange. Acha, this particular step could be done with help of cotton also. With cotton, your work will be quick. You know, we could do it with cotton also. I will show with cotton also. So see, the kind of texture you are getting will make your work looking very, very. You can take little water also. Now after this, if you want to mix like in orange you want to add red or some other color, you could try that too. So the same earbud you will dip it in red and you will start doing red. And do one thing, when you start doing red, all of you see, just 1 minute I want your attention. You will start red from here, and once your earbud is dry, is having very little color left, and like see, I'm doing with earbud and very little color is left. When very little color would be left now, then you will go near this, and when you will go near this, your color would be completely exhausted. Then you will enter your orange. Yes, got it? This is the way you will start. What I did, I will show you again, and this technique we are going to apply everywhere in all columns. I will show for other colors also, and textured look will look as if it is lush green. And one earbud I will keep only for white. This earbud is only for white. So I will take this white and just see one, because all are going to be done the same ways. And you will add little of white here, in the corner. Take a little white. And you will keep one earbud separate to just add a look of white here. Now white I will keep on one side, and this is the way I completed second row also. Third is going to be pink. Again you can take pink color. Now with red you can definitely take pink also. Blue also you could take. You can try blue also. So I will take pink first and I will do pink. If you feel that this one is going, you want to make one quite big, so you could do that ways also. So with orange earbud, pink color could be taken. So I have started with pink, and in pink if you feel that you want to add white or some other color or yellow color, see, I think with pink, orange or yellow will look great. Yellow, I will start yellow. See, all of you see, just 1 minute you see. I will not start immediately after, I will start it from here. And as I took it on pink only, pink earbud I took, so pink impression you will find in yellow. You will not, it won't be complete. And when your color is completely exhausted, when your color is almost over in your earbud, then you will go towards pink. And when you will try to reach towards pink, your earbud would be having no color. Then you will enter the color pink, and you will have to be little quick while doing this. And with white impression, like as we did here, same we are going to do with white. And then we are going to take sky blue with white, red and orange, and different colors we could take. And if you feel that your hands are completely dry, I will suggest you to take a break, go and wash it, and then continue. Okay? Yeah. So see, this is the way. And if you feel that little of white you want to add, little of white. Not too much, little of white. Okay? Softly you will take little color and you will put it here. And now we are going to use different colors. You can keep changing earbud if you are not finding it comfortable. And if you feel your hands are absolutely dirty, I will suggest you to go and wash your hands. Okay, and while doing this with earbud, as I'm continuously getting message, ma'am, please teach if we want to do it with brush. है ना? तो yes, with brush also you can add this kind of texture. So I will show if you have round or flat brush, any brush. So with brush also this could be done. So those who are not having command over paintbrush, है ना, they can create this kind of beautiful masterpiece, this textured art with help of brush also. So whatever kind of brush you have, any one brush you can take, and I will show how you can add the same texture with help of brush. Now my next color is going to be sky blue. So I will take sky blue, but before this I want to check the work. Will you please lift up files and show your work? Now those who want to continue with earbud, they will continue with earbud, and I am giving you demo with this. So again, see this paintbrush, again the technique is going to be the same. Tap, 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 and this ways you will be doing. Okay, and suppose you want to add red or any other color, and there should be no white gap, so you will try to do it this ways. So with this could be done with paintbrush also. It could be flat brush, round brush, and don't worry about that. Any sort of brush. Suppose you want to add red in this, so you will take little of red, and from where you will start? Not immediately after. You will start it from here. So see, red and this together will give you little. I will take little more red, and I will add red, and the moment I will see my paintbrush is having no color almost, I will go near blue, and when I will go near blue, my brush is having almost no color left, and then I will enter blue. Now, so this is the way it will give you beautiful mixing of color, and I simply mixed colors this ways, blue and red, although you could have kept it completely. ठीक है, तो yes, with paintbrush also you can do this, and if you want to like use cotton, a ball of cotton, then you could do this with cotton also. I will take white, so white earbud could be used, and with white earbud we will try to add little soft effect here. This is very important. You know, like this side you will add little, and softly you will put it. Come on, do this. Okay, and this is the technique you are going to use for all colors everywhere. You can simply use this. I will keep white on one side. My next color is going to be yellow, then orange. I will wash my paintbrush. Yellow, and I will be doing it yellow. ठीक है? Technique is same. Tap, 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 and yellow with I can mix it with red and then orange. 3 colors I will try to mix. Let us see what ways it turn up. Or you could do one thing, you can keep it white, yellow and white. Let's keep it very light, or you can add little of green. And you can, in any ways you can go. And with tap tap technique, the same ways I was using earbud, you can use paintbrush. Okay? Yeah. So few we did with that. Let's few we will do with paintbrush if available, and those who are not having paintbrushes available, they will do with earbud. And even cotton could be used, a ball of cotton could be used, and with the tap tap technique you could finish this. So see, I will do it this ways. Yellow with white, this pure white impression. So these will look like very soft flowers, of milky, very light this color. So we will add this color in the corner outside. Okay? White. So white color is very less watery, and this is the way you will complete it. Okay? Next color is going to be red, completely red. So I will now I'm not going to use any other color. I will be using my colors purely one color only with textured look, as I did with so for textured look use very little water, then only textured look will be available. And don't make the lines, and if you feel that it is looking absolutely dry, you are not able to move your color, then take a tip of water and continue. So here you can see I did simply use primary red color, and it's really looking so beautiful with textured look. I will simply add white, nothing else. So now I am going to add pure one color, and a dark blue also we will use, violet also we will use, green also could be used, and this is the way. ठीक है, तो with paintbrush, with earbud, with cotton, you could do this. And you can see है ना, I will use yellow ochre, or let's use orange from here. Now using the same paintbrush, I want to use orange. Red and orange, they are of same family. So if little red will reflect in it, it's okay. If you have milky pink or any fluorescent color, you can even use that. And with textured look, you will complete it. You can take little of red to add on to texture. And you will finish it this ways in orange, just few lines. You can see it is absolutely abstract way I am using for completing the work. In a very abstract way we are completing, and I will simply add some white dots here. ठीक है, here. Simply white. So this will look absolutely abstract kind of artwork, and keep washing your paintbrush. You will use lots of yellow. I can go for yellow ochre with white, and a dark blue could also be used, although, but I will prefer using this color of soil. And I will keep it pure white without any . Okay, just tap technique. I will return back to my story. So now what happened, this as like people started coming and visiting and purchasing flowers, and flowers were like not getting over. So those who were making fun of Chandrakant, when Chandrakant was taking good care of that Guruji, that he has gone mad, has nothing to do. But when they found that Guruji has gifted such amazing thing, so they also started feeling regret that even we would have done worship, we would have worshipped Guruji nicely or taken care, so we would have also got something of this kind. Now after some days again Guruji visited this place, and Chandrakant went and told everything about. You can simply make, okay, see, this is the way we completed this much. Now little touch up is needed, but before this we will wait till it get dry completely, and for this we are going to use black, and we will use little of black or dark color to add little more refined and beautiful look to the artwork. I will pack my all colors nicely, okay, and we will have to wait till it get dry. So upper portion is almost dry, because clouds and all we did in the beginning, so that would be completely dry. And so here, as we try to show that all lines are meeting and a particular point, so this kind of illusion of depth we try to give, and this is called one point perspective. Come on, finish this. So they all started taking care and worshipping, and the villagers also taking good care, arranging for things, this or that, and when Guruji was about to leave the village, they were looking for that something should be given, by Guruji as prasadam. But Guruji gifted nothing, and Guruji told that I know with what intention you are taking care of mine, but magical things reach and select correct person. You are not worthy and you don't deserve this kind of magical seeds. The one who is pure hearted, the one who is always having good intentions, is loving and caring for others. Only that this kind of persons can win and can be rewarded with this kind of things. Yes, so see, this is the way this complete final background we completed. Now we will turn our paper upside down. Open your marker pen and very nicely you will add outline. Soft but beautiful outlines. If you feel your color is not dry yet, then wait and let your color get dry, and then you will give outlines. Okay, this outline will add a neat and refined look to your artwork, and whatever is lacking will automatically be covered up. If you feel you want to give outlines in cloud also, and your outline should be very neat and refined, and if your lines would be like untidy outlines you will do, it will spoil the complete look of the work. And see very carefully, I'm giving it shape. The color which I put, I will simply put this ways. If your color is wet now, please wait. You can give the outline after the class also. As in watercolor work, it's difficult to lift up files and show. So that's why I didn't ask you, because many times it happens that children, water container is there and everything is here. You try to lift up your files and then color and water spread. So it's actually challenging, even for me, like so many things are kept here. So lifting up my file is actually very challenging. But yes, after the class, please lift up your file in your hands. Tell your mama to take your click and share it on WhatsApp. Very nicely you will give outlines, okay? Then only this drawing will look good. Without outline, it will look untidy. And if your color is not dry, please wait till it is completely dry, okay? And here you will make a line, soft line. You can even use dark green color also if you want. And I'm going to make these lines little more prominent. You can see I'm simply picking up, I'm not making a smooth line. I'm making small lines because I don't want this line very much straight, little broken kind of line I want. And this is the way. If your color is not completely dry, you will have to wait till they get dry completely. Okay? Green, little of green on both the sides once it is dry. Again, this will happen only when it is dry. Okay? In light colors at least you can add. Dark colors it will not show its much influence, but still you can add on one side. Okay. So when he replied this ways, that magical things, they select the worthy person. You if you want to gift it to someone, you want that thing will not reach, because magical things, they first see the heart of a person, what kind of heart one is having. You all want took care of mine because you want something in return. But Chandrakant took my care without any like this kind of motive. So that's why those magic seeds, they selected Chandrakant, and the fruits which Chandrakant is getting because of his very vast heartedness, kind and compassionate heart. So all realize that why Chandrakant is blessed with all this kind of things. See, this is our final output. If you feel that in sky you want to add little of color, light color, if you feel you want, you can. Otherwise, this is your complete output. With watercolor technique and in a very abstract look, we completed this. And here, as all lines, it seems they are going to meet, and at one point, the kind of depth we will try to add with help of lines. And that's why this drawing will come in category of 1 point perspective. Okay? Now here like we add a background of very dark color. Suppose you have a lovely sky blue color, you can go for sky blue. If you have more beautiful colors, baby pink and this kind of watercolors, you could even use this kind of colors also for making these flowers growing in rows. So this ways you can bring changes. And yes, landscape could be created this ways also. This will also come in category of landscape. Okay. Yes, I'll take a pause of 2 to 3 minutes. I can see like hands are colorful. Even I can see even color on face also of many of you. And with wholehearted efforts you are doing, because we are going to do nothing. We simply will start with coloring. In few we mix 2 colors and afterwards we put white dots. Technique is same. That's why we went in speed without stopping, because the same technique we applied for making everything here for showing farm. Yes, and multiple colors. If you want to go for rainbow colors, you can even try that. Life is colorful, beautiful farms, and a village scene. This kind of drawings, if you have, you can try this also. So this is all about our today's work. And if manageable for few of you, will you please lift up files and show me how it is looking? Yes, it's so lovely and so beautiful. Every part is beautiful. See, don't forget one thing and don't even get disheartened. Suppose it mess up. When you are doing and it mess up, it's absolutely fine. With mistakes also we learn, right? So you all will be getting recording of class immediately after a few hours of the class with lifetime validity. You can revise this work. You can redo this work. Okay? And the technique which we use is simply tap, 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 tap. It could be paintbrush, it could be earbud, it could be cotton, a small cotton ball. With anything you can go for this technique. Okay? So great efforts of yours I can see. Very well done, my dear. Please do share this artwork on WhatsApp with your feedback. And I can see your great efforts and lovely output. Very well done. Lots of blessings. And with lots of blessings, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye.